My MO, do more adventuring.
My MO? Do more with my family.
My MO, do more for my health and happiness.
Whatever your MO, Modo Dental Implants brings you more smiles and more tomorrows. We're experts in smile magic, and our advanced technology replaces your missing teeth in less time, so you can do more with what you do best. With Modo Dental's proven process, you'll experience 1. High-tech 3D imaging for a 360-degree view of your health. 2. Advanced 3D planning to design your perfect smile. 3. Surgical precision and accurate implant placement. 4. Same-day smiles with the provisional restoration. 5. Your beautiful new smile revealed in less chair time.
The implants went very well. The upper and lowers that he put in fit perfectly, and I'm very pleased with them.
The thing I like most about coming here is from the front desk to the managers, the assistants, you can really see that they really do operate as friends and also family.
Predictable results. Modern implants made easy. Now you can do more with the magic of Modo. Contact your Modo Dental Implant Specialist today.